Do you feel like your life is overwhelmingly busy? Like you always don't have enough time and your schedule is ever growing? What if time wasn't the problem? Consider this. You don't know where to start. Procrastination is your go-to mode. You fear rejection if you have to start saying no. Who are you without being busy? Delegating is not possible because you can't let go. You don't know what's most important for you. Time is not your problem. Respectfully, you are. But if you are the problem, you are also the solution. With the guidance of Go to Yellow, you will benefit from a fresh outsider's perspective, clear, actionable goals to match the long-term vision, accountable on the priorities, your personal sounding board who doesn't judge or limit your ideas, and your champion who encourages progress and supports through failure. When you invite transformational change, you level up your career, cultivate a forward-thinking mindset, take courageous leaps, impactfully overcome adversity, sharpen your performance, declutter your mind, and increase your energy levels. Hi, I'm Tammy, a personal development coach, an entrepreneur, philanthropist, and an unwavering optimist, totally devoted to guiding professionals and business owners to be successful without overworking. Today, I proudly own a successful coaching business built without any substantial resources, systems that run like clockwork, grew an empowered team to achieve the mission, and have the freedom to do more in less time. Personal development is more than a soft skill, it's an essential skill. And coaching is for everyone, no matter what stage of life. Even I get coached. Because in the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. May your life be yellow. Welcome to Go to Yellow. Subscribe to our channel to learn how to redefine success and restore life balance. If you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment below. But remember to turn off the notifications because we want you to live your life and not to be controlled by the ping. May your life be yellow.